Today, we're tackling a common query many of you have asked. Can you cancel a DoorDash order? It seems like a simple question, but as we dive in, you'll discover it's layered with important considerations. Firstly, let's understand the DoorDash cancellation policy. Generally, you can cancel an order on DoorDash if the restaurant has not yet started preparing your food. This window of opportunity, however, is quite narrow, so timing is crucial. If you decide to cancel an order before it's being prepared, navigate to your order in the DoorDash app and select Cancel Order. This option, however, might not be available if the restaurant has already started preparing your meal. In cases where it's too late to cancel through the app, you might need to contact DoorDash customer support for further assistance. Now, it's essential to note that canceling an order is not without potential consequences. If the order is successfully canceled, you may be eligible for a full or partial refund, depending on how far the order process went before cancellation. However, if the order is too far along, you might not get a refund, particularly if the restaurant has already dedicated resources to preparing your meal. It's also worthwhile to mention the impact of canceling on others. Restaurants may have already allocated ingredients and labor towards your order, and your dasher may be en route or even at the restaurant. Canceling can result in losses for the restaurant and inconvenience for your dasher. In summary, while you can cancel a DoorDash order under certain conditions, doing so requires quick action and comes with considerations regarding potential refunds and the impact on the restaurant and dasher. Always review your order carefully before confirming to minimize the need to cancel. Thank you for watching. Remember, understanding the cancellation process and the effects of your decisions can help you be a more considerate and informed customer. Next time you're unsure about your order, think back to what you've learned today. Happy ordering.